Hello everyone. So look at this. Who is with me? Parveen Auntie is with me in Virgin Active Chiswick Park. So she has joined two gyms. One is Virgin Active and second one is Gym for Less. So you can join two gyms as well if you're struggling with a contract or anything. But she has joined today both gyms. One is Virgin Active. First she got the membership Gym for Less, and second she got the membership in Virgin Active. And she's very excited. We have just done Aqua and she's very excited for Gym for Less as well.
Yes, I'm very excited for Gym for Less. I just want to ask Jia, is Eva coming to this gym?
Yes, Eva is coming. Eva, look, she's still asking about you.
Eva, yeah.
So Eva is coming.
I'm really excited.
Our Chickeny Chameli is coming. So yes,
Okay.
so we have just done the class. Which class we have done right now?
We did Aqua.
Yes, we did Aqua class and
And it was excellent.
did you like it?
I really like it, yeah.
Okay, that's good. So we will be seeing you in Twickenham as well.
Yes.
Yeah. So next vlog you're gonna see in Twickenham.
Twickenham.
And Parveen Auntie. Look, she's the richest lady. She has joined two gyms. She has got an adorable daughter. She said that, "Don't worry, mom. I'll pay for you for Virgin Active. You pay for Gym for Less. Join both gyms." So
Both
if
gyms.
yes, so you can join both gyms as well. Gym for Less, you will have to pay only £19.99,
Pound, yeah.
and it's so cheap, isn't it? And you will get plenty of classes, so you should be there, right? And yes, your instructor is coming on 10th of September.
Okay.
Okay, Eva, she's asking about you. Chickeny
Yeah.
chameli baua chadhane aayi. Eva, now you have to play her Bollywood songs.
Yeah, definitely. She has to play it.
See? Okay, I have sent her the list of your favorite songs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Eva, we missed you so much. Look, she
I
has.
miss you as well, yeah.
Yeah, she miss-
Everybody, all of us.
Yes, all of us, we missed you, and it's been 3 years that you haven't taught us. So yes, please play our favorite songs, Eva.
Yeah, definitely.
All right then, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello everyone. So look who is with me, Parveen Auntie. She is in Virgin Active. So she's going to be the member of two gyms. One is Virgin Active and second is Gym for Less, because she's the greatest mother of the most adorable daughter who lives in US, and she encouraged her and she said, "Mom, you can join Virgin Active. I'll pay for Virgin Active. You can pay for Gym for Less." So now Parveen Auntie is going to be the richest lady of Hounslow. She's got the membership of two gyms. कैसा लगा आपको Virgin
बहुत
Active?
अच्छा, it's so good. They got so good classes as well. And I enjoy all the classes.
Good. So she's saying that she loved the Virgin Active and she loved the classes. And just now we have done what?
Yoga.
Yoga. Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it. Yeah.
Yay! So finally, I'm so happy that Parveen Auntie is with me, and she's going to be the member of two gyms, Gym for Less and Virgin Active. Bye bye, guys. Bye. Hello, everybody. So look who is with me, Parveen Auntie. She has joined Virgin Active, and she is also joining Gym for Less. In fact, she has joined both gym today, Virgin Active and Gym for Less. So Parveen Auntie, how did you find Virgin Active?
It is excellent. I love this gym. They got classes and they got everything, swimming, and I enjoy the machines as well.
Yes.
So, alhamdulillah.
And she was missing me as well, and I was missing.
yeah, I was missing her as well. So we meet each other quite a lot.
Yes. So one day I took her to the as a guest pass, and she loved Virgin Active, and she decided that she is going to join Virgin Active. Bye bye. Oh, so today Parveen Auntie is here in Virgin Active Chiswick branch. She really
It's a
likes the
lovely
view.
gym, lovely gym.
Did you like it?
I like it so much.
Oh, look at the view. This is the outside view of Virgin Active. That was Virgin Active. Can you see that? Yes. Look at the view. Parveen Auntie is looking so beautiful, so elegant. I mean, just looking like a wow. Look at this. There is a very huge waterfall, lake. Parveen Auntie, wahan ho na? Wally Lake.
Yeah.
Right. This is the lake. Weather is so good. Look at this. So beautiful, so elegant. I mean, just looking like a wow. Man karu? So today is the celebrity. Parveen auntie is at Virgin Active, and as you can see, this is the lake. Parveen auntie, are you liking the view?
Yeah, it is beautiful. The view is so nice.
Did you like the gym?
I like the gym here.
And now I'm going to show you the most surprising thing. You can see, one second, let me take you. That's the thing. If somebody, if for example you're feeling cold, or if it is like very windy weather, or
You want to have your lunch?
yes, or you want to have lunch, if it's raining, you can go inside. Come, I'll show you the inside one. Yeah, you can open it here. She's on the call right now. Okay, so I can take you here. Okay, so that is the inside one, indoor one. If the oh my god, if it's raining or if it's windy, you can sit inside. Okay. अब एक और जगह एक और चीज दिखाती हूँ. Guys, you must have heard, and no one is gonna say that we don't know about them. So let me show you one more thing. परवीन आंटी आप चलो ना आगे, मैं आपकी वीडियो बना रही हूँ. Warner Brothers, they make English movies. The most famous Warner Brothers office is here too. Look at this. परवीन आंटी वहाँ पे चलो, उनका ऑफिस के पास आपकी वीडियो लूँ.
अंदर पूछ लो ना, अंदर जा सकते हैं.
पूछती हूँ अंदर, पहले बाहर तो आओ.
छोड़ो यार, तुम बस ऐसे वीडियो ले लो.
हाँ, तो आप खड़े होंगे तो आपकी लूंगी ना.
अंदर नहीं चला रहा.
Woohoo! Welcome to Virgin Active, Parveen auntie. Okay guys, my friend Soraya Shamsi has joined Virgin Active, and she is also from Exercise for Less, Hounslow. Ooh.